ASVAB Mechanical Practice Test 2026 Question 1 of 10. Two meshed gears, Gear A has 20 teeth and Gear B has 40 teeth. If Gear A rotates at 100 revolutions per minute, what is Gear B's speed? Option A, 25 revolutions per minute. Option B, 50 revolutions per minute. Option C, 100 revolutions per minute. Option D, 200 revolutions per minute. Take a moment. The correct answer is B, 50 revolutions per minute. Gear ratio, speed decreases as tooth count increases. Speed B equals speed AX, teeth A/teeth B, equals 100x, 20/40ths, equals 50 revolutions per minute. Question 2 of 10. A Class 1 lever has the fulcrum located. Option A, at the effort end. Option B, at the load end. Option C, between the effort and the load. Option D, always in the middle. Take a moment. The correct answer is C, between the effort and the load. In a Class 1 lever, the fulcrum, pivot point, is between the effort force and the load. Examples: seesaw, scissors, pliers, crowbar. Question 3 of 10. If a pulley system has a mechanical advantage of 3, and you apply 20 pounds of force, how much load can you lift? Option A, 20 pounds. Option B, 40 pounds. Option C, 60 pounds. Option D, 80 pounds. Take a moment. The correct answer is C, 60 pounds. Mechanical advantage equals load/effort. Load equals mechanical advantage x effort is equal to 3 times 20 equals 60 pounds. Note, you must pull the rope 3 times further than the load moves. Question 4 of 10. Pascal's law states that pressure applied to an enclosed fluid. Option A, is absorbed by the container walls. Option B, decreases with depth. Option C, is transmitted equally in all directions. Option D, only acts at the surface. Take a moment. The correct answer is C, is transmitted equally in all directions. Pascal's law states that pressure applied to an enclosed, incompressible fluid is transmitted equally and undiminished in all directions. This is the principle behind hydraulic systems. Question 5 of 10. A hydraulic jack has a small piston with an area of 2 sq in and a large piston with an area of 20 sq in. If you apply 50 pounds to the small piston, how many pounds does the large piston exert? Option A, 50 pounds. Option B, 100 pounds. Option C, 500 pounds. Option D, 1,000 pounds. Take a moment. The correct answer is C, 500 pounds. Pressure equals force/area. Pressure from small piston equals 50 halves equals 25 psi. Force on large piston equals pressure x area is equal to 25 times 20 equals 500 pounds. Question 6 of 10. Which type of gear converts rotational motion to linear motion? Option A, spur gear. Option B, bevel gear. Option C, rack and pinion. Option D, helical gear. Take a moment. The correct answer is C, rack and pinion. A rack and pinion converts rotational motion, from the pinion gear, into linear motion, along the rack. Common applications include car steering systems and CNC machines. Question 7 of 10. A wheel and axle is a simple machine where the mechanical advantage is greatest when. Option A, the wheel is smaller than the axle. Option B, the wheel is the same size as the axle. Option C, the wheel is larger than the axle. Option D, the axle has more mass than the wheel. Take a moment. The correct answer is C, the wheel is larger than the axle. Mechanical advantage of a wheel and axle equals radius of wheel/radius of axle. A larger wheel relative to the axle gives greater mechanical advantage, more torque output for a given input force. Question 8 of 10. What happens to fluid pressure as depth increases? Option A, pressure decreases. Option B, pressure stays the same. Option C, pressure increases. Option D, pressure becomes zero. Take a moment. The correct answer is C, pressure increases. Fluid pressure increases with depth because of the weight of fluid above. The formula is P equals rho x g x h, density x gravity x height. This is why deep-sea creatures experience enormous pressure. Question 9 of 10. When two gears mesh and one is turned clockwise, the other gear turns. Option A, clockwise. Option B, counterclockwise. Option C, in the same direction as the input. Option D, either direction depending on the size. Take a moment. The correct answer is B, counterclockwise. When two meshed gears turn, they rotate in opposite directions. If gear A turns clockwise, gear B turns counterclockwise. To make gears turn in the same direction, an idler gear must be placed between them. Question 10 of 10. A fixed pulley, single, changes the direction of force but provides a mechanical advantage of. Option A, 0, Option B, 1, Option C, 2, Option D, 3, take a moment. The correct answer is B, 1, a single fixed pulley only changes the direction of the force you pull down to lift up. It does not multiply force. Mechanical advantage equals 1. Movable pulleys provide mechanical advantage of 2 or more. You answered 0 out of 5 correctly. Want more? Practice. Subscribe for daily exam prep.